In today's video, we will explore different units of length and learn how to convert between them. We'll also go through examples involving very small objects, such as atoms and cells, to help visualize their actual size. Let's begin with a scale ranging from nanometers, the smallest unit you need to know, up to micrometers, millimeters, meters, and kilometers. Each unit is 1,000 times larger or smaller than its neighboring unit. For instance, a kilometer is 1,000 times larger than a meter, while a nanometer is 1,000 times smaller than a micrometer. Converting between these units can be tricky, so let's take an example, converting 6 millimeters into other units. When converting to a larger unit, divide by 1,000 for each step up the scale. So, converting 6 millimeters to meters, we divide 6 by 1,000, giving us 0.006 m or 6 times 10 cubed m. Here, the number becomes smaller, but the value remains the same because the units are larger. Thus, 6 millimeters and 0.006 m represent the same measurement. To convert this further to kilometers, we divide 0.006 m by 1,000, resulting in 0.000006 kilometers or 6 times 10 kilometer. When converting to a smaller unit, multiply by 1,000 for each step down the scale. Converting 6 millimeters to micrometers, multiply 6 by 1,000 to get 6,000 m, or 6 times 10 cubed m. For nanometers, multiply again by 1,000, this results in 6 million nanometers, or 6 times 10 nm. If converting between non-adjacent units, such as 340 nanometers to millimeter, you can either divide directly by 1 million or break it down. First, divide 340 nanometers by 1,000 to get 0.34 m, then divide by 1,000 again, yielding 0.00034 millimeters, or 3.4 times 10 millimeter. To grasp these measurements better, let's compare them with real-world objects. Atoms range from 0.1 to 0.5 nanometers in size. Medium-sized molecules like glucose are about 1 nanometer across. Viruses measure around 100 nanometers. Bacteria are approximately 1 m in size. Most animal and plant cells range between 10 and 100 m, while human hair is about 100 m wide. Larger familiar objects include insects, books, planes, and mountains. The human eye, unaided, can distinguish objects down to about 100 m in size. This means the thinnest thing visible is roughly the width of a human hair. With a standard classroom microscope, you can see objects as small as 500 nanometers. Electron microscopes, however, allow us to view objects as tiny as 0.1 nanometers. For understanding small-scale measurements. Lastly, let's discuss centimeters, positioned between millimeters and meters on the scale. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, and 100 centimeters make up 1 meter. To convert centimeters to meters, divide by 100. To convert to millimeters, multiply by 10. For example, converting 30 centimeters to nanometers. First, multiply 30 by 10 to get 300 millimeters. Then multiply by 1,000 to obtain 300,000 m. Finally, multiply by 1,000 again, yielding 300 million nanometers, or 3 times 10 nm.
If you haven't heard before, you can find all of our videos on our website geniushub.co.uk. Additionally, you'll also find MCQs, flashcards, past papers, and quizzes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.